comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right down Santa Claus Lane. Vixen and Blitzen and all his reindeers pulling on the reins.
Okay, I look like a little bobblehead, but okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, your fave, the one, the only, FaceTime.malii, and we are back at it again with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. Not really. I guess this is like a how-to. I'm gonna do two videos, like one with me dyeing this hair and one with me installing this hair. So in this, as you can see, I already got the bundles. Dang, I should brought my brush. But I already got the hair and everything, you know, Malibu hair. Let's get with it. Let's get with the program, okay guys? Let's get with the program. This is a lace front wig, 613. Has the band, as you can see. 613, 20 inches, I believe, or 22, I don't remember. I think it was 20. Yeah, I'm out here looking like Rapunzel. Let me stop. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing the watercolor method in today's video. So if this is your first time seeing my face, knowing my existence, coming on my channel, welcome to the family. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. Yeah, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and you're joining the family. Let's give this video a big thumbs up. And yeah, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there, you guys. Like, we're almost there. So yeah, let's get me to 1K. Yeah, let's get right into this video. All right, so I got my hot water on the stove. I got my dye. I'm really nervous because I don't know if I have enough dye. But like I said in one of my other videos, I always wing stuff. I don't really look at like tutorials. I look at like how to do something and then I just wing it. So I have 3 bottles from Kiss. I have Kiss Intense Red. I have another, they're all gonna be from Kiss, but this one's says Crimson. And then this one is another Crimson. So I got 2 Crimson Reds and then 1 Intense Red. And then I have my wig right here. The hot water is on the stove. Ooh. Let me pour that up in here. I'm scared, yeah. It's like hot. Shoot, that's hot. So I'm gonna get some gloves because y'all see all the steam coming out from this thing right now? Like, that's so cool. I'm gonna put on my gloves because I'm not trying to stain my hand. I need towels. Duh. Crap. Hold on. I got some more hot water. This is from the pipe. Alright. I'm gonna do a Crimson. Oh shit. I want y'all to see what's going on. I don't even know why I'm doing it like this, because this is gonna take way too long. I'm putting another Crimson. God damn. I'm only gonna do a little bit, like half of this bottle, because I need to make sure it's coming out good. And I want to see if I should add that Intense Red. Damn, that's hot. You need to make sure that all the dye is like in the water. Like, you know what I mean? Like, you don't want no clumps. You want it to just be like red water. Because you don't want no problems. All right, moment of truth. Now you need to move the hair around like a lot, cause like this is like a really full wig, and I don't need no patches of blonde, no patches of nothing, none of that. Cause like this is cute, but like y'all can't see it, but I can. The top is like a salmony type of color, and the bottom is the red that I want. So. It's not ugly. It's not an ugly red. It's really not. Shit, it's on the counter. It's really not an ugly red. It's just not the red that I'm going for. Another quick tip I learned, the darker, if you want like a certain color, it's better to make it dark than like leave it light, cause like, let me explain that, because that probably didn't come out too good. What I'm saying is, a lot of times, the color you want is not what you see. Like, if I'm going for like a dark color, it's better if you get like a darker color, because how it look now and how it look when it's wet and how it look when it's dry is going to be completely different colors. Because right now, it looks good. The end is what I want. The end is what I want. This is like kind of the red that I'm going for. The watercolor method is like the easiest method ever. Like, I love this shit. I ain't gonna cap. I love this method. Whoever came up with the watercolor method, chef's kiss. Mwah! That was beautiful, amazing. Literally. I remember I tried doing, when I actually like sitting down and dyeing the hair from the tips and doing that. That takes so long. Some parts not bleach, but dye faster. And now it's like everything's like uneven. Watercolor method, everything gets done at the same time. Boom. However, the watercolor method is only good when you're doing like colors like this. Like bright colors or like pastel looking colors. That's how I feel. I don't think it will work for anything else. But like I said, y'all gotta make sure you running your fingers through the hair, stuff like that. Cause honey, we do not want pieces of blonde, pieces of pink, pieces of none of that. We're not doing that. Okay, we're not doing that. Wow. And not one strand of hair came out. That's what I like to see. All right. Now for the moment of truth, because honey, this is my last bottle and I'm not going out to buy more, okay? Okay. So now we got, oh shit. This just might, ew. Why is it coming out? Why did the thing pop off like that? This is a moment of truth for real. This water is red. Oh my God. This is like a burgundy. This looks burgundy. Why does this bottle keep slipping out? Every single bottle I had slipped out my hand. That is funny. Bro, this is not, this is like a, oh my God, that's red, like that dark cherry red. This, for all my Caribbeans out there, this looks like sorrel. You know what sorrel is? my Caribbeans out there. This is the type of color it look. It look like that rich red. That's exactly what this look like right now. I should have got 2 bottles of this, no cap. All right, now, please don't sell me. This ain't in there because ain't nothing like having some red ass roots and shit. I don't want red roots, like I want darker roots. So I gotta make sure that this thing picks it up. Oh honey, yes. This is what I'm here for. I'm gonna let it sit and I'm gonna let it do its thing. I'm gonna leave it alone for like 5-10 minutes. Okay? See you in 10. Sorry. See you in 10. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's been way longer than 10 minutes. Yeah. I low-key just let it sit there so that, you know, the hair can really pick up the dye. But this is like the red I wanted. It is the next day, and that is the wig right over there. Looking all nice and pretty. She has been brushed out. That's why she looks kind of poofy. But yeah. Oh, God. She's looking real nice. Real red. Real sedity. Yeah, as you can see, the color was evenly distributed. That's what I really like about watercolor method. It dyes pretty even, and you don't gotta worry about some parts of the hair getting darker or some parts of the hair being lighter. It really just distributes the color like evenly, which is like what you really want. Shit, I dropped it, my bad. The lace did not get tinted, as you can see. I thought it was because I was like, bread. I thought it was because red is a pretty bright color. So I thought that the lace probably was gonna tint or something, I don't know. But it didn't. This stayed white, which is pretty weird to me. I don't know how that happened. Yeah, the hair is so soft. It smells so goddamn good. Like, I'm not even like, why it smells so goddamn good. But yeah, like, this is the hair after it dries. I'm gonna do a separate video of me like customizing it and installing it, because I want to do that in detail too, like how I did this video. So I'm going to show you guys like how I customize it, cutting the lace, installing it, gluing it, everything like that. Yeah, this is the end of this video, and if you're new to my channel, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button. I hope this video was very in-depth and informational for you guys, people who've never tried the watercolor method, people who are new to the watercolor method. Yeah, I try to be very detailed with this tutorial, and yeah, I hope that was good. I'm going to do another detailed video for when I'm installing the hair and customizing and plucking and everything like that. So stay tuned for that video, right? So this is FaceTime with Malii signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next video.